Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you?
I'm very good. I feel happy today
That's nice. Why are you happy?
because today's topic is very helpful.
Oh, yes, I agree. Today we will talk about how to learn English easily online.
That's a great topic.
Very useful for beginners.
Yes, many people want to learn English.
But they don't know how to start.
Exactly. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our EnglishNexis channel
Yes, and click the like button.
and share this podcast with your friends.
It helps us a lot.
Thank you so much. So let's talk about the problem.
Yes, many learners feel confused,
They watch many videos.
but they don't improve.
Why do you think that happens?
Maybe they don't practice.
Yes, that's a big problem.
They only watch.
But they don't speak.
And speaking is very important.
Exactly. English is a skill.
You need to use it.
Okay, let's start with step 1.
Step 1. Choose the right content.
This is very important.
Don't start with difficult videos.
Yes, don't watch fast movies first.
Start with simple English.
Like basic conversation.
For example,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine.
My name is Anna.
Simple sentences are powerful.
Yes, because you understand them.
And when you understand,
You feel confident.
now step 2, use subtitles.
But use them smartly.
First, watch with subtitles.
Read and listen together.
Then watch again without subtitles.
This helps your brain.
Yes, your brain works harder.
And your listening improves.
At first, it feels difficult.
But that is okay.
That means you are learning.
Now, step 3. Very powerful.
Shadowing.
Yes, you listen and repeat.
Okay, how are you?
Repeat. How are you?
I am learning English.
Repeat. I am learning English.
Today is a good day.
Repeat. Today is a good day.
Very good.
This helps pronunciation.
And fluency.
Now, step 4. Speak every day.
Even if you are alone.
Yes, talk to yourself.
For example,
I am eating food.
I am walking.
I am watching a video.
It sounds simple.
But it works.
It builds confidence. Step 5. Talk to real people.
Yes, this is very important.
Use apps or online platforms.
Or talk with friends.
Don't be afraid.
Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes help you learn.
Let's make a simple plan.
30 minutes watching,
15 minutes shadowing.
15 minutes speaking.
Only 1 hour a day.
Very easy. So today we learned how to learn English online.
Keep it simple.
Practice every day.
And don't be afraid.
You don't need perfect English.
Just start.
If you enjoyed this,
Please subscribe to our EnglishNexis channel.
and like this video.
And comment, I will learn English.
We would love to read your comments.
Thank you for listening.
See you next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Make sure subscribe to our EnglishNexis channel.